Enough with this weather already. I can't take it anymore. Stacy! Oh my God! Ow! What is it?
Oh, Kenny, I'm so happy to see you. I never thought I was going to see you again.
I know, me too.
I had the baby.
What?
For real, I had the baby.
The baby isn't due for like another month.
It was a miracle.
Wait, so where is she? Oh my God, please don't tell me Mitch Lawrence got her.
No. He didn't want her. He threw us out.
Okay, so where's the baby?
With Gigi. She's making sure everything's all right. Oh my God. Oh, please.
Gigi!
Rex! Don't stop! Don't move!
Gigi? Wait, don't move! Why? She's got the baby!
No, he's right. The ice is cracking. It's too dangerous. It's not safe. If you come out on the ice, it'll give way and we'll fall in. Don't worry. I'll get us across.
Okay, you don't look so good.
Yeah, no, I don't feel so good. Oh. Between you and me, those real contractions hurt like hell.
Okay, so what happened? How'd you end up here?
I told you, Mitch threw us out.
He figured out the kid wasn't his grandkid.
No, I told him to save us.
Good for you.
It's just it was so cold out there, and all I had was that thin little coat and those discount boots, and the snow was up to my knees. I couldn't go any further. I had to sleep.
In the snow?
But Gigi found me. She brought me back here. But then it started for real. The contractions.
You must have been scared out of your mind.
Oh, I would have been. If it weren't for Gigi. She delivered the baby. Oh, it's a girl. Did I tell you?
No, you didn't, honey. That's great.
She's so beautiful. She looks just like her daddy.
Like Oliver Fish?
No. Like Rex. You okay, Sierra Rose? Oh, you're cold, aren't you? Oh, your lips are blue. Oh. We have to figure out a way to get us off this ice. The baby needs help. We have to get her to a hospital.
Oh my God, Stacy had the baby. I have a daughter. Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
This is your daughter, Rex.
Gigi, I'm not gonna let anything happen to you or the baby, okay? We're gonna get you off the ice, don't worry.
Just call for backup. Get a truck out. There's no time, okay? If the ice gives, they're gonna fall.
Okay, I know that. So what do we do?
Okay, we need to make a tether line and throw it out to them.
All right, well, with what?
I don't know, Skyler. I don't know.
Okay, well, you better figure it out or lose them both.
I hate to break it to you, sweetheart, but Rex knows the truth. Skylar told him everything, which is how I got here. Rex went roaring off after Gigi, and I got scared for you. So I figured I'd come up here and do a little damage control, but it doesn't look like Rex ever showed.
Oh, no. He was here. He was furious. But I'm not worried about it. Once he sees Sierra Rose, that's her name, he's just gonna fall in love with her.
Sierra Rose. Classy.
I know. Rex is gonna love her.
Stace, Rex is...
No, I know I thought that I'd lost her, but we didn't really go to the doctors. It was just those stupid paramedics. I mean, it's too early for it to even be Fish's baby, so it has to be Rex's, right? I mean, I completely believe in miracles, don't you?
Sure, honey, whatever you say.
You're doing great, Gigi, okay? Just hang on.
Yeah.
Gigi? How's the baby doing?
We have to to get her to a doctor. Her color's not good.
Okay, is she breathing?
Gigi, I found the mooring line, okay? I'm gonna throw it out to you. I want you to tie it around your waist.
Okay, I'll try, but I don't want to put the baby down.
No, don't do
It's okay. I made a loop. I want you to step into it and then pull it up, okay?
Oh, it's too short.
Fish, come on, get it closer. Try again.
No. Don't. I can reach it.
No, don't.
Please be all right.
Gigi!
We're okay. Just get me out of this water. I can't hold on much longer. My body is numb.
Hang on!
Gigi, put the baby on the jacket.
Okay.
You can do it. You can do it.
Come on, just put her on the jacket. We'll pull her in.
Yeah. We're gonna bring the baby in, then we're gonna do the same for you, okay?
You okay, baby? Okay, you're gonna be fine. You're almost there, Sierra. That's your daughter. She's gonna make it.
We got her, Gigi. We got her.
Is she okay?
She looked right to you. Look at her lips.
She's not getting enough oxygen. Gigi!
I know you think I'm crazy.
What are you talking about? You're my hero, escaping from that psycho Mitch Lawrence, making it through a blizzard, giving birth. You're amazing.
No, Gigi's amazing.
Gigi?
My sister.
Yeah, I know who she is. I just never heard you say anything nice about her.
She took the baby to the hospital.
You're the one who belongs in the hospital. Which reminds me, what did you do with that blood you got from Mitch Lawrence? Because we could still make the baby look like it's Rex's if that's what you really want to do.
She's amazing.
Guess it's a good thing
Huh? What?
that your wish never came true.
What wish?
That Gigi disappear permanently.
Gigi! Don't listen. It won't do any good if you go under too.
Rex, be careful.
Shut up. Grab my feet.